Hello, hello, hello! My name is Chantsy and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I am filming my first fashion video, official fashion video, where I am trying on a couple things that I got at H&M. I'll show you guys in a second. The first outfit is this turtleneck that I already own, and then this sequined skirt. So my haul is from H&M and it was late because in Canada our postal service was on strike. I'm just so blessed that my clothes is here because the holiday parties are starting. Hello! And I wanted to wear this skirt. Next thing I want to show you guys are these polka dot tights. So I bought them in size large. Oh, the skirt, by the way, is in size large. And I'm like an XL. And on the bottom I'm usually like a 14 or size 32, 33 in regular jeans. So yeah, this is large, but it is stretchy. And I have like a small bum, so I don't usually need too much room back there. These polka dot tights are pretty fantastic. I also got them in a size large. So these are the larger polka dots, and I also got the tiny polka dots, which you'll see in the video. Tiny polka dots. So they're actually really tight, but they're long, and that's what you want. You don't want them to be like long and loose, you know what I mean? So these are tiny polka dots. Can you see? These are the big polka dots. I kind of like the tiny ones though. And when I bought them online, it was buy two, get one free. So I think I got two of the little ones. The next thing that you will see is this pink dress. It's a sweater dress. I should have done this before. Oh, I'm not very organized. But it's late night and I'm just trying to get a video in. You know, I think that's what's important. So it's a sweater dress. I feel like this was like the highlight of the try-on, I have to say. Just a sweater dress, but you'll see it in the vid. And then I paired it with some silver accessories to make it festive. And then the last piece is a red dress. I'll show you guys here. It was a fail. It was size 14, and I thought because it was like a loose dress that I could like pull it off, but it was like really tight around the neck, and then the little latch I couldn't get behind the neck. And yeah, so that was 3 different holiday looks with 3 key pieces plus the tights. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Keep on watching the vid. There you have it, guys. That's the try-on. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite look. Was it look number 1 with the sequin, skirt, number 2, the peach dress, or number 3, the red dress. And let me know if this video is helpful for you guys, if you guys want more of them. It is my plan to bring you guys more fashion videos because I have turned my guest room into a styling room. I don't know if you know this about me, but I do have a plus size fashion blog called Mud Exclusive. That's how I got started. That's how I got started on Instagram. If you want to follow me there, it's at Chantsy, and or you can just hang out on YouTube because I am trying to grow my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like if you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel here. That's the circle, or you can keep watching more videos down below. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.